Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to look at your tickets on Ticketmaster. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently purchased an event on Ticketmaster. How do you go ahead and actually do that? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that you're going to do is head on over to Ticketmaster.com or use the app to actually access Ticketmaster. Now, once you're on the home page of Ticketmaster, this is what it's going to look like. On the upper right-hand side, you want to click on My Account, and then click on My Tickets, and then click on Upcoming Events. So once you do that, you're gonna see your upcoming events. You just simply click on the event in which you wanna see the tickets for. And then from here, this is where you're gonna see your section and seat row tickets. So with that, this is how you actually see your tickets on Ticketmaster website. It's an entirely different way to actually access your tickets. In order to do that, you need to download the Ticketmaster app and view your tickets and save them to your device in order to stay ahead of the event. So I'll show you later on how to do that on the Ticketmaster app, but that is essentially how to see your tickets on Ticketmaster using the web browser first.